Dear friends, now I am going to dictate elaboration and dictation that is of Tamil Nadu government examination paper of November 1976 at the rate of 100 words per minute. This is elaboration. The dictation contains 4 minutes dictation, 4 minutes speed it is. Here, 5 letters are there. Just to concentrate on the content. If there is any omissions, there is no need to bother. Only content important. Get ready. Number 1. Draft a letter from Lakshmi Enterprises, Erode, seeking wholesale agency from Usha Trading Company, Madras, dealing in plastic buckets. Ask for rate of commission, details about the product durability, etc. Also inquire whether transport of goods is by rail or lorry and whether it is at owner's risk. Number 2. Write a letter as from the correspondent of a high school to the director of school education about opening of English medium sections from standards 6th to 11th, bringing to his notice the increasing demand made by the educated residents of the locality. At present, they have to send their children to far off places. If English medium sections are opened, the strength of the school will increase twofold. Pray for permission to open at least one English medium section in each standard from the 6th to 11th. Number 3. Draft an advertisement for publication in newspapers inviting applications for the post of motorcycle messenger in Tamil Nadu Office Appliances Private Limited, Nagarcoil. He should use own motorcycle. A lump sum of rupees 100 will be given for maintenance charges. Petrol will be supplied at company's cost. Consolidated salary of rupees 300. As soon as the company gets its own vehicle, it will be used by the messenger. Till then, the arrangement is that he should use his own motorcycle for which he will be paid the maintenance charge as stated. Number 4. The Finance Minister of India is visiting Pudukottai. The citizens collectively desire to give a petition stating their grievances and seeking redressal. Their points are at present funds for drought relief works are inadequate. More funds should be allotted. Drinking water scarcity, progress of road work is slow and more men can be employed. Stocks of seeds and fertilizer in cooperatives not sufficient for the season. Draft petition. Number 5. Controller of Stores Southern Railways Madras invites tenders for supply of plywood opening tin time at 9 a.m. 2nd September 1975. Closing time of the tenders at 2 p.m. Tender forms can be had from the office of the controller on payment either in cash or by money order of rupees 7. Earnest money of rupees 2000 has to be deposited. The controller reserves the right to accept or reject any tender in full or part without assigning any reason. It is necessary for tenderers to purchase specifications. Draft tender notice.